The laptop you are using right now is officially a relic of the past. It doesn't matter if you bought it last year or last month. It doesn't matter if it has an M2, M3, or even the M4 chip. Because in the secret labs of Cupertino, something has happened that was never supposed to happen this soon. Apple has broken the laws of thermal physics. They have created a monster. We are talking about the MacBook Pro M6 Max. For years, the tech industry has been comfortable. We expected a 10% jump in speed every year. We expected the battery to last a little longer. But the M6 Max isn't an incremental update. It is a black swan event. It is the moment where the line between a portable computer and a multi-thousand-dollar server farm completely vanishes. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are a professional, a creator, or just someone who demands the absolute pinnacle of technology, you need to pay very close attention to what I'm about to tell you. Because the leaks coming out of the supply chain aren't just rumors anymore. They are a warning to every other PC manufacturer on the planet. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the M6 Max Silicon. For the first time, Apple is moving to a 2-nanometer process. Now, most people hear nanometers, and their eyes glaze over. But here is what that actually means for you. More power, less heat, and zero noise. Imagine rendering a full-length 8K feature film while sitting in a quiet library, and your laptop stays as cold as a stone. No fan noise. No thermal throttling. Just raw, unadulterated speed. This chip is rumored to house over 100 billion transistors. To put that in perspective, that's more processing power than the supercomputers used by NASA just a decade ago, sitting right there on your lap. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about unified memory architecture. The M6 Max is pushing boundaries we thought were years away. We are looking at memory bandwidth that exceeds 500 gigabytes per second. When you open an app, it doesn't load. It's just there. When you switch between 50 different Chrome tabs, a 3D render, and a high-end game, the computer doesn't even blink. It's the first time a computer has truly felt like an extension of the human brain, instantaneous and effortless. Now, let's talk about the display, because this is where Apple is going to steal your soul. We've had Liquid Retina XDR for a while, and it's beautiful. But the M6 Max MacBook Pro is rumored to introduce the Tandem OLED Pro display. This is a dual-layer OLED system that provides a level of brightness that shouldn't be possible on a battery-powered device. We are talking about 3000 nits of peak brightness. You could be sitting on a beach in the middle of a California summer, and the screen would still look as clear as if you were in a dark room. The blacks are infinite. The colors are so vivid they look like they're painted on the glass. Once you see this screen, every other monitor you own, your TV, your phone, your current laptop, is going to look broken. But here is the hook that no one is talking about, the battery life. We thought 20 hours was the limit. We were wrong. The efficiency of the 2-nanometer M6 chip, combined with new solid-state battery technology Apple has been patenting, is pushing the M6 Max into the 48-hour territory. Think about that for a second. You could fly from New York to Singapore, work the